All right, getting the battery charged up on the winch for the trailer. That can only mean one or two things, and ain't nobody broke down. So we're gonna go look at a new car today, or another car. We're gonna put it up behind the old little Ford Ranger today instead of the old Ram. It's local, so not far to go. And we're looking at, it's a, well, title probably will show it, but it's a 66 Ranchero original V8 car. And we're looking at it for my buddy. So we'll see how it goes. Well, there it is. It's a 66 Ranchero original V8. You can see the 5 lugs. The bed's in pretty good shape. There's typical rust all the way around. Quarter panels, doors. Floor pans are yabba dabba doing. It's pretty good looking though for a 60-year-old car. I don't like this. That's the only thing that bothers me. And very similar to a Mustang inside. Luckily, we know those. There's not much difference.
And what's the floorboard?
Not bad at all. There. Down there's some weight reduction, as they say. The rear tail light housings are both shattered, and both the bumpers are done. But other than that, it's a 66 Ranchero V8. We might be able to make it run, but I don't think Don wants to work on it today. This is my buddy that's buying this car, but we'll do videos on it and keep it up on the YouTube. So we're gonna get it loaded up and head back to the house. It'll probably stay on the trailer for a minute because I got some other stuff to do. But when we pull it off, first thing we'll do is wash it up and see where we're at. So, you know, engine's been rebuilt. It's just like got 100 miles on it. It's brand new. It's got more oil on it than I've seen in my life. Small dents that'll come out. This metal's really thick, so we can get some work with it. So yeah, it's a pretty one. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's going to be a good, fun car.
So he's got a little wench in there, huh?
Oh yeah.
I guess you'd have to. Could push it up there too easily.
Well, he's got all the bells and whistles he needs.
Nice.
Come on, man.
Want me to film you struggling with that?
There it is. What's that?
Nothing.
I'm not looking on your bumper. Don't complain. It's busted already bent.
And
It's not working.
it just shuts off. I don't know why.
Oh, I got. Do you need? You probably don't need it, but I got an extra grill for it too.
Anything you have for it would be very much appreciated. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna strap her down. All right, strap down, load it up. Next project, next big project, I should say, is on the way. What's the name?
What's that?
Name of the car?
Oh, Wahatachi.
Wahatachi.
I could send you the spelling. So I'm not even sure how to spell it.
Yeah, if you don't mind, on the marketplace.
Yeah.
Shoot it to me. Tucked away in her little spot. That's where she'll be till we get a room in the shop to get to working on her. Oh, I'll roll up that window, but she's back at the Ford factory now. All right, my buddy bought this Ranchero. It's a 66 original 289 car. We're just gonna do some cleaning up on it today. Get it up on the lift. We haven't heard it run yet. We're gonna go through it the right way, make sure everything's clean before we start pumping fuel. Most of the trim is good except for the bumpers and these rear light surrounds. We're gonna be on a mission trying to find that stuff, and proper gas tank cover. Probably leave the patina the way it is, because this one we're trying to get running and driving reliably and safely to go to Cruising the Coast in October. Looks like somebody did some performance stuff on it. Edelbrock Performer 289. Unfortunately, it's got that Edelbrock carburetor on there. Pertronics in the ignition. I don't know what's going on here. We'll have to figure it out. Maybe it's some kind of switch to, they thought it would be security. It's kind of what it looks like to me. We'll have to find the switch. All right, we're gonna get some cleaning on it. Well, excuse the mess, but I wanted to show you the old Ranchero. She's in the garage. Like I said, this is a project. It's going to be a long-term project. We're going to go step by step, but we're just trying to get her running and driving for Cruising the Coast in October. So go through the brakes first and the fuel tank, then change all the fluids and stuff, get her started. We think it should be a runner driver. Old fella just kind of parked it and then passed on to his next of kin. The front brakes look like they haven't had attention in a while. Light is a little oil on power. We power washed the engine and stuff just to get some clean, but underneath it's just wow. So we might do some more cleaning on that later, jack it up or something. The rear brakes, however, now the emergency brake cable's hanging there, as you can see, but look at there, that's new. And that one's been worked. This one's been replaced, and that's new. So it looks like the rear brakes have new pistons in them. So we might not have so much work. It's got a newer exhaust system on it. It's just replacement stuff, nothing fancy. Somebody did some work there. It's not really pretty either. And you can see there's the floorboard. So floorboards, brakes, fuel, running and driving, and then we're going to do some of that patina stuff on this. Just a clear coat, either semi-gloss or matte, just to make it look cool. While we gather up pieces and parts and all that for the long-term beauty project. Anyway, that's that, and I'll keep you up to date as we get going. Probably for the first startup, and if I run into any weird brake things. I know there's like 3 different sizes of brakes on these, so we got to pull the front brakes, make sure that what sizes we have before we order any parts. And we're looking for bumpers and floor pans. So yeah, that's where we're at. We'll keep you up to date. See you on the next one, guys. Well, that's that. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.